students, we were discussing about the translation process here. We had already done it, right? So this is all about translation here. Ribosomes. This is ribosomes. Smaller subunit, larger subunit is there. These are the tRNAs: glycine, serine, gluten, valine, lysine, cysteine, tyrosine. These are the tRNA of these particular amino acid, right? I told you that there are one tRNA present for the single amino acid, right? So this is the, I was telling you in your last video about the codon and anticodon. So this the codon which are present on the mRNA, GAG, and the bases present or complementary bases present at the tRNA. These are called anticodon, like CUC. Clear? So let's see the regulation of gene expression. Regulation of gene expression could be exerted at 4 levels. Regulation means by gene expression means to say genes are present at the DNA. So from DNA to RNA formation or from replication to the transcription, RNA is made up from the DNA and the protein is made up from the RNA, right? So the information of DNA transfers by the RNA to the protein. Clear? So this process, this is a very complicated process. It's a very complex process. So this is very important that it should be checked that process is going well or something is wrong there. भाई genetic मामला है भाई, genetic genes का matter है ये, कुछ भी जो है wrong नहीं हो सकता. That's why regulation is required there. So regulation of gene expression or this is checked at the particular level. सबसे पहले कहाँ पे transcriptional level, it is checked on the transcriptional level where formation of primary transcript means mRNA, where mRNA is forming there, right? Transcriptional level पे ही ये check हो जाता है, yes, formation of mRNA, yeah, primary transcript is forming well or something is problem there, right? Processing layer where splicing takes place, कहीं कोई इंट्रॉन रह तो नहीं गया है. All introns are spliced from that mRNA. Intron, I hope you people remember, intron means interruptive sequences which are not the genetic sequences, right? But they are interruptive sequences, intervening sequences, you can say. So so at the regulation of splicing, now transport of mRNA from nucleus to the cytoplasm, obviously after the formation of mRNA in nucleus, now it will move from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. As you know, ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm. Protein synthesis takes place in the cytoplasm. Clear? So at that level, it will check. And now at the last, translational level, right? At the translational level, it will check like protein synthesis is going well or something is problem there, right? See. So these are levels of regulation of gene expression. You can see this is your DNA or gene, right? Transcriptional control means transcription is going well or not. Primary transcript पे check हो जाता है. Then after processing control means to say splicing, polyadenylation, polytailing on this basis, right? उस level पे. Now RNA transport control, that from the nucleus to the cytoplasm or cytosol, right? Proper mRNA is transferring there or not, right? Now at the last but not least, at the translational level or at the translation control, that protein synthesis is forming well or not, because this is the result of this particular gene, right? Gene is converting into the protein. Actually, I told you that for a particular character there is a single protein there is a single protein present, means for the particular character, for the particular there are particular proteins are present, right? One character is equal to one protein, means आपके one character के लिए एक protein present है आपकी body में. So think about number of characters are there, number of proteins are there. Clear? So students, please go to NCERT book and thank you so much. Make your notes. Thank you, students.